How to increase mental stamina factors that affect. This can be simple things that you don't notice much and take for granted, like the time you spend sleeping, eating or exercising. This have a great impact, believe it or not, on your brain and mental stamina. Here are a few things you can do for building mental stamina. 1. Eat right. Proper nutrition is the key to increase mental stamina. The brain has a huge demand for energy and nutrition to function well. This remains unfulfilled if you don't take enough nutrition. A healthy brain diet includes proteins and irons. You should also stay away from processed sugar and take a multivitamin daily. Including almonds, blueberries and walnuts in your diet has many benefits for the brain. They work by lowering blood sugar and can improve cognition according to brain experts. Experts attribute their health benefits to rich amounts of omega-3 fatty acids and to good amounts of antioxidants in the blueberries. 2. Adequate sleep. The brain needs rest during sleep. The brain gets some me time that is utilized to rebuild its neural networks and do some mental spring cleansing. Missing out on sleeping takes away this healing time, and this affects your mental stamina as well as keenness. 3. Exercise is key. Rest and exercise both are very important for the brain. Here is how to improve mental stamina thought them. That's why experts tell us to exercise daily for at least 30 minutes every day. This not only works on our body muscles but also keeps our brain working at its optimum capacity. Even a 5 minutes walk around your building can new up your brain stamina substantially. Exercising outdoors has more benefits for the brain than exercising with your home. 4. Manage stress. We have all heard about the debilitating effects of stress on our minds and bodies. Stress is a major mental distressor. We suggest that you turn to visualization exercises for timing this monster. All you have to do is to imagine that you are in a sorting place where you are overwhelmed. Also meditate and relax. Consequently, each muscles grow from your toes to your head while meditating. This will have a brain boosting effects. 5. Concentration makes brain perfect. To increase brain stamina, include games requiring concentration such as chess or Chinese checkers. Scrabbles, Monopoly, and cards also work well as they require strategy, analysis, and endurance. This works together to increase mental stamina, but make sure to reduce video games. They can do more harm than good. 6. Meditation works well. Meditate frequently. All you have to do is sitting in a quiet corner and empty your mind of thoughts. Yes, it is a bit hard to practice in the beginning, but it becomes easier with time. This helps in relaxing the mind and also keeping it healthy. 7. Practice deep breathing. Deep abdominal breathing fills up your lungs with oxygen that improves brain function. A regular deep breathing practice is thus excellent for upping mental stamina and activity. It also relaxes your mind, which again improves mental stamina. Warnings: do not ever turn to over-the-counter herbal remedies that claim to help boost mental stamina. They may do more bad than good. The road to a clear, focused and strong mind is one of disciplined living, thought control and eating right. Do fill your minds with positive thoughts, as possibility is a great brain tonic. Hence follow the above-mentioned steps today for healthier life. If you have any queries or comments, share with us in the comment section below.